How to make a subscribe link for YouTube channel using a computer. This video teaches you how to generate a special link that allows people to subscribe to your YouTube channel from any website. When someone clicks or taps this link on your website or social media profile, they'll be taken directly to your subscription page. Step 1. Go to https://www.youtube.com in a web browser. If you're not already signed into your account, click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page to do so now. Step 2. Click your profile icon. It's at the top right corner of the page. A menu will expand. Step 3. Click your channel. It's near the top of the menu. This opens your channel's main page. Step 4. Highlight the URL in the address bar. You can usually do this just by clicking the address at the top of your web browser. Step 5. Press Command key Cmd+C, Mac, or Ctrl+C, PC. This copies the URL to your computer's clipboard. Step 6. Open a text editor on your computer. If you're using Windows, try Notepad or WordPad in the Start menu. If you're using a Mac, try TextEdit or Pages in the Applications folder. Step 7. Right-click the blank page and select Paste. The copied URL now appears on the page. Step 8. Add _confirmation equals 1 to the end of the URL. Don't insert a space, just start typing it after the last letter of the URL. For example, if the URL you pasted is https://www.youtube.com/user/wikihow?view_as=subscriber, it should now look like https://www.youtube.com/user/wikihow?view_sub_confirmation=1. Step 9. Copy the new URL to your clipboard. You can do this by highlighting the URL and pressing Command key Cmd+C, Mac, or Ctrl+C, PC. Step 10. Open the location where you want to insert the link. This can be anywhere that allows you to enter a URL, including your website's HTML code, many social media profiles, and your email signature. If you're using a social media profile, you'll usually need to insert the link into a field labeled website or URL. See how to create a link using HTML to learn how to add the link to your website's raw HTML code. If you're inserting the code into a social media profile like Instagram or Twitter, you may want to use a URL shortening service so the address doesn't look so long and messy. Some popular options are tiny.cc or bit.ly. Step 11. Right-click the typing area and select Paste. The copied URL now appears on the page. Be sure to save your code and/or update the page to save your changes. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.